How to tell if you are in ketosis and what to expect on the way to a state of ketosis. This is very common and popular question from people who just started a ketogenic diet. So if you are interested in this topic, please watch this video. Alright, so let's start with basics. What is ketosis? Ketosis is a wonderful state, it's a wonderful process that happens when our body doesn't have enough carbohydrates to burn for energy, and instead of carbs is using fat as a main source of energy. Your body uses fat to create ketones to be converted to energy. People want to know how to tell if they are in ketosis. So the easiest way to know if you are in ketosis is by testing ketones level using urine, breath or blood test, but this is topic for another video. Today I want to focus on what to expect when transitioning to ketosis. Within a first week of lowering carbs to 20 grams or less, you might experience temporary issues with low energy, headaches, and other common keto flu symptoms, which are normal and expected. Ketosis is a wonderful state, and a lot of people talk about only benefits, but I want you to know what you can expect before you become fully fat adapted. So there are a few common symptoms that you might experience. So first I will talk about those symptoms, and then we move to all the amazing benefits and how wonderful you can feel. When you transition to keto, you might feel tired, have some headaches, digestive issue like diarrhea or constipation. You might feel thirsty, have some sleep issue, and have some muscle cramps. Let me explain why you may feel this way. Alright, so when we eat a lot of carbs, our body retains water in cells. So when we limit carb intakes to the minimum, our body is releasing water along with sodium. That's why we might feel thirsty, have some problem with headaches, and feel fatigue. So it is very important to make sure we drink enough water and even more water during this time, and have electrolytes. Some people may experience bad breath, and if this happened to you, don't worry, this is temporary. When we start producing ketones, we also produce acetone in urine and throughout the breath. This can make our breath smell bad, but this won't last long as you transition to ketosis. The good news for you is that all the unpleasant symptoms indicate that your body is on the way to a state of ketosis. So this can last from a few days to weeks, but then you will experience all amazing benefits that you might have never experienced before keto. This is pretty awesome. Let's talk about benefit of ketosis. Improved cognitive function. Our brain loves ketones. Study shows that ketones can improve many areas of cognitive function, including mental clarity, focus, and concentration. I will post the link to the study below the video. Another amazing benefit is decreased appetite. Keto helps you stay full and less hungry. Why? Because we finally start eating whole and nutrient-dense food. Another great benefit is we are starting losing weight. You will typically lose a couple of pounds of water weight along with fat in the first week of being on the ketogenic diet, because you limit your carb intakes to minimum, so your insulin levels are dropping and your body is getting ready for ketone production. Just to recap, once your body starts burning ketones for fuel, your energy levels will be stable throughout the day, you will feel less hungry, and you will experience mental clarity and focus. I think this is pretty much amazing. So if you like this video, please put thumbs up, and also please comment below the video what type of symptoms did you experience on the way to your ketosis. And yeah, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one. Bye.